What's going on, guys? We're in the S2000 once again. It's finally daytime, so I can, like, you know, show you guys the car and stuff. It actually gets pretty good gas mileage. I drove it probably 30 miles and it went down like barely an eighth of a tank at most. So yeah, like I said, Hondas get good gas mileage. So yeah, we're about to go back to my parents' house real quick. I gotta show my dad, just, you know, put some miles on it, and also I gotta drop some off, and then I'm meeting my boy John there, and then we're gonna go run the mountain, allegedly, or just like not allegedly, but we're doing it like not fast. We're not gonna go fast or anything because we're breaking in the motor. We want to break in the motor, not break the motor. Oh my god, it's more than I can afford, pal. Come back. That was a Ferrari, if you guys didn't know. Can't afford that one. He's actually going kind of fast though too, so I gotta respect him, you know, gotta give him some respect. Oh, but VTEC, we got VTEC though. Damn, what's the retail on one of those? First one to make that joke, by the way. All right, man, we leaving my parents' house now. Gotta start the engine. Oh my god, it's NM2. I think that's what we're gonna be trailing today. See if we can keep up. Breaking in the motor though. Oh god. I hope this thing's recording, because yeah, it definitely is. Okay. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back on the, oh my god, okay, I gotta let John pass me, hold on. I gotta let the boy pass me, man. Alright, so we're on a road right now. Let me roll up the windows because, you know, wind resistance. We got to make sure we get as much speed out of this car as possible. As you guys know, the S2000 isn't the quickest car in a straight line, you know, but it does make up for it in the turns. So I'm tailing the boy right now. Oh, it's like a go-kart. Oh, this shifter also, side note, the shifter feels really, really good. I really like the shifter in this car. It's like super nice. Also, by the way, for those of you who may have skipped to this part or didn't see the beginning or last video, this car is still on a break-in period, so I can't push it that hard. Yeah, my dad said I'm borrowing it from him. He said don't rev it above like 75, so gotta respect that, you know. I don't want to blow up the motor. That'll cost me a lot of money. Also, it'd be on camera, so I would be the one responsible for it, and that would be very unfortunate. Oh yeah. Oh, but it's gripping up. It's gripping up though. Oh, he said he put Project Mu pads on it, so it stops on a dime, supposedly. I haven't actually tested it yet. It's the first time I've like taken it out on the mountain, but yeah, he said it's got Project Mu pads, so it should stop. I mean, that's gonna matter more in downhill, but I also don't want to cook the brakes because I don't want to give him a broken car back. That would be kind of disrespect. That would be kind of mean, and we're not mean here. We're oh, hold on, I gotta get VTEC to kick in, bro. John, I can't do that. I don't have that kind of power. The S2000 is a whole different ball game, man. I'm telling you guys, this thing shifts so well. Downshift, oh, so good. Upshift, it just feels really, really good. My shifts aren't that great, obviously, because I'm not used to the car, but overall, I'd say driving experience and daily ability is up there. This is on stock suspension with like ground control springs and sleeves, and then has stock sway bars and everything like that, stock struts, stock wheels with like BF Goodrich like 400 treadwear tires. So it's a pretty dailyable setup. I've actually been just driving this on the highway trying to break it in for my dad, and I decided to take it on the mountain real quick, just see how it you know handles on stock suspension. I just want to check it out real quick. So yeah, so far it's been pretty good. I like it. Oh, VTEC just kicked in. Woo! Woo! Man, let's see the brakes. Oh! Hey, they work. They work, I ain't gonna lie. They work. FD brakes are good too, but I think this just has better stopping power because it's on like different, like the wheels are lighter, and just overall it's just more of a track built car. I'm sure if my FD was like bone stock like this one and had like all the stock stuff, I'm sure it would stop the same, but because I put different wheels on it and I don't know, everything's different on the car. It just doesn't, it's not how it was out the factory. This feels like it was out of the factory because it has a factory rebuild. The AP2 rings, piston rings, my dad said. Remember, I can't rev it up high, guys. So I only get 2,000 RPM of VTEC. He said VTEC kicks in at 55. He's like, don't take it above 75. I was like, I got 2,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM worth of VTEC, bro. Okay, yeah, that car's just a lot faster. I can't really. Okay, we got brakes though. Okay, I don't know the car that well, guys, so I don't want to go. Okay, it almost spun out. No, low-key. Let's not do that. I gotta shift because we're braking in the motor. We're not braking the motor. We're braking in. Overall, though. Oh, what the hell is that? Is that a speed thing? Oh, I wasn't speeding. I wasn't speeding though. I just want to point that out. Oh shit, I don't know where the thingies are. That's the start button. Sorry, I don't know where my hazards are. Just got the car. I just stole it this weekend. Okay, I should oh, there they are. Nope, hazards. Yep, just me and my daily Conda. Nothing crazy going on here. Yeah, this car handles pretty well. I'm obviously not pushing it, but just from a driving, just kind of putting around, it's this car would do well at the track, man. I think that's what my dad wants to do with it, but I don't know. We'll see. Only time will tell. If he decides to keep it or daily it or bring it to the track or whatever. I gotta say, there's no turbo in here, which is okay. This is a what we like to call a momentum car. So you just get some momentum, and you just throw it into turns. And you gotta keep them RPMs up, because you gotta stay in VTEC. You gotta be ripping tech. If you're not ripping tech, you're not doing it right. Oh yeah, no, I really like this car. I have to say, S2000s. If you guys want to get one, I mean, they're almost at FD prices, so I can't really. Oh God, why is this guy in the middle of the road? I can't really tell you guys to get one. If I had the choice, I obviously would choose my RX-7 over an S2000. Obviously biased, but it's a great car, and VTEC's really cool, and I think it handles really well. I mean, I feel like I didn't really have any like abrupt stops or close to grip limit, mainly because I'm braking in the motor. But overall, the chassis is great. The cockpit is just perfect size. The steering wheel, stock steering wheel, is actually a really great size. It's not like overly big or anything like that. It's actually a really good size. I really like the digital cluster in this car, and yeah, like an OEM Plus build. I mean, you can rip, man. I'm telling you, these cars are like built out the factory to do some lap times or some mountain times, and ooh, I can't wait till all I have to say is maybe my opinion will change on the car. Maybe I'll like it even more when I could rev it out to like 9K. And maybe, I think my dad's looking at getting wheels, so I might maybe try to help him find some wheels. But yeah, even on the stock wheels and not even being able to rev it out to 9,000, it's pretty darn good. I have to say, I really like it. POV tech just kicked in. Woo! Yeah, solid car. Just pulled up, man. Pulled up on the gang. We're looking real clean. Oh, dude, it's so shaky right now. This dude throwing rocks on me, bro. Hey, what tires are these, bro? What tires do you have? Super Sports. Oh, really? Yeah. This is what was flinging rocks on me the entire drive up, bro. I just hear a downshift and I hear a bunch of rocks ensuing, bro. Hey, it really be my fault, OG. No, you're good, bro. You're good. You're good. That's why my intercooler on my FD is like messed up, because you got so many rock chips in it. Or you got so many rocks being flown by Griffin and everyone else with sticky tires. Or a lip. All right, guys, we're about to go in an OG S2000 car. If you guys seen the videos, if you know, you know. If you know who this is, you know who it is. But taking this orange S2000. Yo, this guy's an OG. I'm still new in the game, so you know you got to take notes sometimes. You got to take notes. Stock though. Oh, I'm kind of scared right now. I don't know how to feel right now. I know it's just stock S2000, but it's a driver mod. It's a driver mod.
What's the deal, yo? This is Missy Misdemeanor telling you. Give me your.
Oh, yeah. Quick radio intermission. John, how you feel, man?
I don't know what we signed up for, bro. Like, I'll see you on the other side.
Yeah, I'll see you on the other side, man. All right, we're heading out now. Slowly, I think. Yeah. Or yes, or not. Yes. Go. Go. Oh God. It's a lot faster than I'm used to going. We're a lot faster. Whoa. I know. Oh. Dude, this car stops so fast. And it's gripping so much. I don't know how to feel right now. Oh God. This car is really fast. I don't even think we were hitting the grip limit. We're not. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God. This corner is flat. Yeah. Oh God. We're going like, oh my God. We're going like 100 miles an hour. Yeah. I thought it was over. There's a GT3. There's a GT3 RS in front of us. As you guys know, that car's really fast. It has like 450 horsepower. We only have 220. Oh my God. No, we're catching up. Yo. Oh my God. Oh, he's kind of. Oh, is my camera okay? Oh man. Oh, no, we're like terrorizing. We're terrorizing him. Oh my God. Dude, this S2000 so fast. Oh God, no. Oh my God. He's trying. His feelings are hurt. Oh God. Oh.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. All right, me and John are about to leave now. We're dipping out. Respect to the absolute legend, man. He's probably one of the fastest. He is probably the first or second fastest guy on this mountain, and like, man, you just gotta respect the guy's been doing it for a minute, you know. Like, he's just fast. Just no car I can drive I could ever keep up with this guy in an S2000, and he's an S2000. You could throw me like a GTR, I can never. We're cruising down, dude. We're slow. Yeah. I'm just not fast. I feel defeated after that. Inspired, but I know I can't do that. So, all right, let's head down. Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Hold on. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I've been cranking out these videos. I've been really trying to be on this grind since I got this. Well, since I'm borrowing the S2000, you know, I want to make as much content as I can for you guys. I just want to let you guys know I'm not slacking. I didn't have a car. I haven't had a car for the past month and a half. Everyone's like, where's the E36 S13? Gone, sold them all. I sold all my cars. I liquidated them except for the RX-7 to buy this new car. It's coming in, so they're shipping it right now. But like I said, shipping times take a long time. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys like this little video of the S2000. It was a little tribute video, and then we met up with the OG. Actually, the OG video, I'll link his channel in my description, but it's the first video I watched that kind of inspired me to start driving on the mountain safely. So anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and everyone stay safe out there. Peace.